Welcome. If you're tired of getting update emails from Discord and want a break from those notifications in your inbox, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to disable update email notifications on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. First, make sure your Discord app is open on your computer. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will bring you into your user settings, where you can customize everything from your profile to your notifications. Once you're in the user settings menu, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up all your notification preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the Email Notifications section. Here, Discord gives you control over what kinds of emails you want to receive. If you specifically want to stop getting emails about updates, look for the option labeled Update Emails. To disable these, simply toggle the switch off. That's it. No more update emails cluttering your inbox. If you change your mind later, you can always come back to this section and turn the notifications back on. And don't worry. Disabling update emails won't affect your in-app notifications. You'll still get important updates right inside Discord, so you won't miss anything crucial. Taking a moment to adjust these settings can help keep your email inbox clean and make your Discord experience even better. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Discord experience.